Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 79 Corvette. Key buzzer still works. Tach is the only thing that I see didn't work. Temp gauge works, fuel gauge, oil. There you can hear the radio. Blower motor. Headlights, you'll see the doors come up. They go down. There's your wipers. Horn might not work. Let's see if power locks work. Horn and power locks do not work. These two have a hood release in them. Still has the smog pump on it. There you see the air kicked in. There's your headlights. And your taillights. So, really kind of a cool car, real original. Most everything works except for the cruise works. I showed that in my driving video. Like I said, horn and power locks. 605-695-7391.